Looking for the best ultrasonic cleaner but not sure which one actually fits your needs? Let's break it down together from the weakest option all the way to the best overall pick. We're starting at the bottom of the list with the Zima Dental KPD16, a compact ultrasonic cleaner designed mainly for dental items like retainers and aligners. In this ranking, it comes in as the weakest option, not because it's bad, but because it's very limited in what it can do compared to the others. What it does well is simplicity. You press one button and it uses ultrasonic waves to clean dental gear without scrubbing. It's lightweight, portable, and clearly built for a very specific purpose. If all you ever plan to clean are small dental appliances, it gets the job done with minimal effort. That said, the small tank size really holds it back. At just over 5 fluid ounces, you're not fitting much in there, and there's no timer, no digital display, and no heating to help with tougher grime. Compared to other cleaners in this lineup, it feels more like a niche tool than a versatile cleaner. This one is best for someone who wants a simple, dedicated cleaner for dental use and nothing more. If you're hoping to clean jewelry, glasses, or anything larger, you'll quickly outgrow it. Links to all the products in this review at the best prices can be found in the description under the video. Now, let's move on to a step up from this. Next up is the Miorcols M9B106, which earns its spot just above the Zima, thanks to better cleaning power and more flexibility. It's still a small, home-use cleaner, but it already feels more capable. The higher ultrasonic frequency helps it reach into small crevices on jewelry, glasses, or watch straps. Having 2 preset cleaning modes gives you a bit more control, and the stainless steel tank adds durability compared to more basic plastic designs. However, it still lacks advanced features. There's no digital display, no adjustable timer, and no heating option. While the tank is larger than the Zima, it's still limited to small items, and heavy buildup can take multiple cycles to remove. This cleaner makes sense for casual home users who want something affordable and more versatile than a dental-only device. It's simple, portable, and effective for light cleaning tasks. If you're finding this helpful so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward product reviews. Let's keep going. Right in the middle of the ranking is the BYASKZIV M9B106, and it lands here because it refines the same idea as the previous model with slightly better execution. Think of this as a more polished version of a compact ultrasonic cleaner. It uses the same high-frequency cleaning power, which works well for everyday items like rings, glasses, and dentures. The stainless steel tank feels solid, and the overall build quality is a bit more confidence-inspiring. It's easy to use, quiet, and consistent. The downsides are familiar by now. The tank size limits what you can clean, and without heating or advanced controls is not meant for stubborn grease or professional-level work. Compared to the models above it, it simply doesn't have the extra muscle. This is a good choice if you want a reliable, compact cleaner that feels a bit more refined than entry-level options. But if you're ready for more features and capacity, the next product really changes things. Now we're getting into much more capable territory with the Magnasonic MGUC500. This is where ultrasonic cleaners start to feel genuinely versatile for everyday households. The larger tank gives you room to clean multiple items at once, and the digital display with preset timers makes it far easier to control your cleaning cycles. It's sturdy, well-built, and suitable for a wide range of items, from jewelry to glasses and even small tools. Its main weakness is the lack of heating. While ultrasonic action alone is effective, heating helps break down oils and heavy grime faster. Compared to the top-ranked cleaner, this one relies purely on vibration rather than added temperature. This is an excellent choice for home users who want convenience, capacity, and reliability without stepping into bulky commercial machines. For most people, this is already more than enough, but if you want the absolute best, there's one more to go. At the top of the list is the VEVOR Commercial Ultrasonic Cleaner, and it earns this spot without question. This is a serious machine designed for power, flexibility, and heavy-duty cleaning. The massive tank allows you to clean large items or multiple pieces at once, while the built-in heating dramatically improves cleaning performance for greasy or heavily soiled objects. The digital controls let you fine-tune both time and temperature, giving you professional-level control. Of course, all that power comes with trade-offs. It's larger, heavier, and takes up more space. For simple jewelry cleaning, it may feel like overkill, especially compared to the smaller, quieter units. This cleaner is perfect for professionals, workshops, or anyone who wants maximum performance with no compromises. If you want the strongest, most capable option in this lineup, this is it. If you want to check out the top ultrasonic cleaners from today's list, you'll find links to all of them in the description under the video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next review.